going to Sari's home. Where are you going?
I'm going to myself.
Yeah. Here, oh. Go. Good morning. Go inside. Yeah. Yeah. Ayun, nag-repaint sila. Yeah. No bedroom pa. Okay. Anak. Kami lang ni Kulit. Makulit na makulit. Oh, look at the back. Okay, let's check. Let's go to the CR. Slowly.
I want to go to the CR.
Yeah. Ganda. Yan.
This is the part.
Yan ang lababo daddy. Ayan, nilinis nila. Tapos ito, yung sabi ko na may kalawang. Sorry. Go.
And there's an open pipe here and then over here.
Oh.
And then
Your CR, oh. Ayan.
Mommy. Mommy. Mommy, look at the pipe.
May shower na, di ba?
It's
Ito, linisin na lang.
pipe.
There's a pipe, oh. May maliit na ano. Okay. We're going na.